Yo, we are week 2 of documenting my journey. I think it's the 6th day as we are like Monday of the second week. I don't know. Anyway, this video will probably be a little bit longer than the usual one, and I will quickly tell you why. On Friday, I said I'm gonna make a video this weekend, so on Saturday to make a recap of my week. And as you probably have seen, I haven't done this video, and there is a particular reason for that. Is because I was totally down this weekend. By down I mean like not in the mood to work. I had a big bug on my app. Actually, it was not really a bug, it was like just me trying to import a font in my app, actually in the module to be more exact, and it literally took me like 7 hours like straight. Like from I started to work on this like at 9-10 p.m. on Thursday, and I stopped at like 6 a.m. It felt like a waste of time. I was like, how I can spend like 7 hours just to import one font, like not even using the font inside the app, just to import it. And I was like so mad at myself. That's why I want to talk about today. It's kind of like a lesson that some people should know about like entrepreneurship and being a founder and just building your own stuff. Is like usually on socials you only see the success, like people only shows the success. You usually see people that are like already successful, having money and all that stuff. You can see some people that also starting and having good result, but you less likely will see people that struggle. And you can see this a little bit more, I have noticed, like on Twitter, like people mean, okay, I have some lows about this and this, but something that you will really not see is like really like not the breakdown, but like being really down, like because that's something that probably most people don't know. But like being an entrepreneur, building your own shit like full time, like it's a lot of ups, but it's also a lot of downs, like, and it happens like on a weekly basis, like more or less. So yeah, that's what happened like last week, and I was like totally down, and I started to be like depressed like for a few days. And I was like, okay, like what I'm doing, like, because there is also like people doing the same shit as me, like way faster. There's people already successful. There's like this 18 years old people like being like, okay, I'm already like having 10k a month, and I'm just there like having like $10 a month, and I'm like, what I'm doing, why I'm doing this, like why I don't just stop and go get a job or do something else. And that's what I want to talk about today. Is like there is a lesson that I have learned that I already knew, but I have to relearn that this weekend. Is that first you have your own path, your own journey, your own story. So you should not compare yourself to other people. Like it doesn't make any sense. Like it's not like, I should not even explain that, but like sometimes I have to explain that to myself too. And the second point is you will never lose if you don't stop. Like the only way to lose, the only way to like feeling like, okay, you failed, is just to stop, like whatever you're doing. So whatever your goal is, if you just like keep trying like every day for like days, weeks, months, years, decades maybe, at some point you will reach that goal, whatever the goal is. If you truly put the work every day to reach your goal, you will reach your goal. Like that's how like incredible people make incredible things. You don't need to have like an incredible goal. You can just have like a goal that you want to achieve yourself, and just work for this like every day. And the only way to lose is just to stop. But it's hard, like it's easy to say, and I say it to you and it sounds like it's easy because I just repeated myself this like all weekend to be able to like be like, okay, I have to like get out of this mindset of being like depressed, of being like I'm a piece of shit, I should stop everything that I'm doing because it does not work, I'm not doing as fast as I could, and all that stuff. It's just like, okay, I'm on my own journey, I'm on my own path. Sometimes it sucks, sometimes things doesn't work as planned, but that's it. I just have to show up again like the next day and the next day, and maybe like the next day I need to rest. Maybe I just need a day off when I do nothing, just read, just going outside, like touch grass, like talk with family or something, and then going back to it. And that's what I did this weekend kind of. I tried to rest a little bit, I read, And yeah, I started to read like the 11 laws of success from Tony Robbins, and there is like a lot of like good pieces inside of this, or good stories, and that's what like motivate me to be like, okay, I just had like a problem like 2 days ago, like that's fine. I can still like continue to work on my shit. Like I'm still good, you know. I still have my room. I can like record YouTube videos. I can still work. I still have an internet connection. Like nothing's down. Like nothing bad happened. It's not that deep. I just have to continue to work on my shit until it works. So yeah, that's what I wanted to share today. And yeah, I will share you more about like what I will do this week and what I've done like a little bit this weekend tomorrow. So this video will not be too long. But yeah, that's what I wanted to share today. Just remember there's two things. Don't compare yourself to other people. You have your own journey, your own path, your own way. And secondly, you cannot fail if you don't stop. So just keep showing, do as much as you can every day, and it's gonna work out one day. So yeah, that's it for today. I'm gonna stop there because I could talk about this like for literally hours. I will see you tomorrow when I will tell you what I will do this week, what I've done a little bit last weekend. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, I see you tomorrow. Until then, stay safe. Peace.